What is up guys, Dan at this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a smart, rich filter in Jira. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search box type in Jira. You can see the first official website, just click on it. After that, to create your new account, just simply sign up, or if you have an account already built on Atlassian or Jira, you can just simply click on sign in and you will be logged in to your account. For now, I am using this work email and I am signing up. After that, add in your account details like your name and your password. Create a new password here and just simply click on continue. After that, you will be logged in to your Jira account. This is your site name .atlassian.net. Click on continue. So now it asks that what kind of work do you do? This helps us target and suggest templates that help your team do their best work. So you can just choose what kind of work do you do from these. If your work is not in this list, then simply click on other and just click on continue. Just choose from these one, whichever you want. Simply, and this is your demo project name, my Scrum project. Click on get started. Next, how do you tag work? To do, work in progress work, the work which we have to do, the work which is in progress, and the work which is done. If you want to add something, you can even add something and just simply click on finish. And after that, you will be welcome to the official home page of Jira. Now, to create a smart rich filter, simply click on apps and click on explore more apps and then search for rich filter. So here you can see rich filters for Jira dashboards. Simply click on it. And then on your right side, you can see the option of try it free. Simply click on it. Now this shows that the app will be installed with a trial version on the following products. Just simply click on review and then click on start free trial. Now it shows that it is adding rich filters for Jira dashboards. We will tell you when your app has been added. So as you can see, the rich filters app has been added. Now, when the rich filters is added to your apps, simply go to rich filters and click create. So this will show you the option of create rich filter where you have to give a name to your rich filter and select a filter. So I'll just simply name it uh, demo filter and then I'll select. So for creating a rich filter, you need a Jira filter to use as a base for this rich filter. So first you have to create a Jira filter. After that, you will be able to create rich filter. Just type in the name of your Jira filter that you have created and just simply click on create. So it will create a rich filter. And when you will create a rich filter, it will open the filter settings. In that settings, find and click Smart Features, Smart Filters, and then click on the Smart Filter and then create your new Smart Filter by naming Smart Filter and the name of your Jira filter use and then simply click on Create. Then you will be successfully able to create a rich filter on Jira. That was all for the video. Thank you for watching.